What's going on, everyone? My name is Griffin and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I really wanted to showcase the power of e-commerce through what's called the law of effection with e-commerce sales and the tremendous opportunity that each and every one of you have with your cell phone through Amazon FBA. And the point of today's video is really to motivate anyone who wants to take action, multiply their streams of income, and literally change their life. So selling online, whether it's with Amazon FBA, Shopify, eBay, or whatever platform it might be, is such an opportunity that I don't want you guys to miss out on. And if you're watching today's video, it's obviously because you're interested in doing some sort of online business, e-commerce, but you're not necessarily sure which platform you want to go to. And today I'm here to show you guys why Amazon FBA is the biggest opportunity, hands down, that absolutely everyone should take advantage of at the present moment. And also, just as a side note, in all of history, there has literally never been a more opportune time to start a business. And I would even go as far as to say that there's never been an easier time to start a business as there is today. Now, I'm not saying that online sales and online e-commerce is an easy thing to do, not at all, but as opposed to 20, 30, 40 years ago, starting a business was a tremendous venture. You had a lot more steps to accomplish in order to be up and running and profitable. Nowadays, with e-commerce, you can literally start a business from your cell phone or your laptop within, honestly, a couple hours, if not a week or so. I mean, let's be real here. If you go back 20 years ago, there was no way whatsoever for someone to find a supplier over in China or India, whatever country it might be, and literally order product in bulk, send it over to warehouses in the United States, and have a third-party company sell your products, do the fulfillment, and then deposit money into your bank account on a bi-weekly basis. So hopefully by now I have you convinced that you need to start your own Amazon FBA business today or this week, and I want to back up my claims with some actual real-life figures for you, just to show you guys the power of Amazon. So simply speaking, Amazon is a total beast. They dominate the online retail sales space, and it is by far the best opportunity that you can go for right now. So straight off the bat, a company called Hitwise recently put out a study showcasing that among the top 50th largest online retailers, Amazon captures up to 76% of all online sales, which equates to up to 44% of all online retail traffic. Now, in addition to those two figures, over 50% of all American households have an Amazon Prime membership. So that is literally over 50% of all households have their credit card ready to purchase consumer goods on the Amazon platform. And if you have a Prime membership, I mean, it costs around $100 a year. You're gonna be doing most of your shopping on Amazon. So think of the opportunity here. Over 50% of all American households have a Prime membership. So this is a tremendous opportunity for you to launch your own products on Amazon and be a part of the seller group instead of only being a consumer. And get this, the 50% of all households grows by about 200,000 new memberships each and every single month. So this is a continuous process. Amazon's gonna continue to just be a beast and dominate the online e-commerce sales. So once again, I don't know what else I need to show you guys to prove to you that starting your own online business today is the way to go with Amazon. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, okay, I understand the opportunity, but like, where do I fit into this, and how do I take advantage of this opportunity? I've heard over and over again from you that I need to start my own business, but where do I go from here? Now, what you probably don't know is that most of all consumer goods sold on Amazon are actually sold by people like you and me. Now, other than large companies or large brands that sell goods that you guys recognize that are also in stores, for example, let's say Hasbro or Pampers or whatever big brand, most other consumer products found on Amazon are actually sold, once again, by people like you and me that are sourcing products from other countries like China, India, Vietnam, or whatever other country that will manufacture a certain good for you. They're shipping it over to the Amazon warehouses in the United States, for example. That's where I do all my sales. And then they do what's called a private label, which is basically putting your own label or brand name on this blank product that was sourced from the third party. So once again, my business model is personally private labeling. I source products from China, put my own brand name on them, and sell them on the Amazon platform at a profit. Now in today's video, I'm not gonna go into detail as to all the intricate steps that there are in order to do this. If that interests you, definitely check out all my other videos on my channel. I've done about 50 videos about Amazon FBA private label, and it is a great start for you guys if it interests you. So, and also if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments and I'll get to every single one of them. And also, if you haven't already, like this video, it helps me out tremendously to put out content for you guys. And also over the summer, I wrote a 30-page free ebook for you guys about all the steps that you need in order to start your own business on Amazon FBA with private label. There's a link down in the description for the ebook, along with all the other tools that you'll need in order to do product research in order to find a viable product for you to sell on Amazon. So to build off of the figures that I was referencing earlier, I want to talk about the law of effection and how this is such an important concept as to the reason why Amazon is so powerful at the present moment. And basically, the law of effection I was introduced to in this book, which is The Millionaire Fastlane. If you haven't read it, I definitely recommend it. And what this law says is basically the more people that you have an impact on, the larger the rewards. And this can be through scale or magnitude. So scale is going to be a lower priced item, but you're going to sell a lot more of them. Or magnitude is you're going to sell a lower quantity of products, but each product has a higher price point. Now on Amazon, you can sell both. You can sell lower priced items or you can sell higher priced items. But either way, you're gonna have access to the largest amount of consumers on the web on this platform that are being funneled onto your product listings. So this is really the reason why I preach this business model so much, is that although there's going to be a lot of different techniques in order to make sales once you have a listing up on Amazon, at the core, if you do proper product research, you're going to be in a position to have a really good product with a high amount of monthly traffic for certain keywords, and you're going to be able to come capture a portion of sales for a specific product niche. Now finally, just a couple more figures to really drive the point home as to the opportunity here. If you look at this figure right here, it shows that amongst all the sellers on Amazon, roughly 40% of all sellers do between $100,000 and $1 million in revenue per year, and about 35% do between $10,000 and $100,000 in sales per year. So essentially what this means for you is if you do proper due diligence, you watch my other videos about how to do proper product research, and you find a product that has the certain criteria that I outline in my other videos, and then you're strategic going forward about how to optimize your listing, how to do effective PPC, which is pay-per-click advertising on Amazon, etc., etc. If you do all the steps right, there's really no reason as to why your products will not do well on Amazon, and you're most likely going to do at a minimum $10,000 worth of sales in the coming year. And keep in mind also that all the figures I talked about here are in US dollars. So I strongly urge every single one of you, if you're on the fence as to wanting to start a business or just wanting to do a project in general, whether it's online sales or something else, take action, try something new, get out of your comfort zone, and reap the rewards basically. So if you like this video, please just like it and comment down below any questions that you might have. Once again, check out all my other videos on my channel. I go in depth on multiple different topics about how to start and maintain your own Amazon FBA private label business. And once again, take action, you will not regret it. Thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.